my friend Jaren. So you might guess I'm a hater of him. So guys, it's kind of a big problem of him. You might guess I got a video about. So guys, you know why there's a problem of him? Because she's annoying, hatred of me. And my white face kind of laggy. Do you like those teachers who need to go, like you need to go to the bathroom right now, but like they said, no, why didn't you go at recess? Why didn't you go at lunch? Well, maybe Mr. Ahmed Jones, because I cannot take my brother. Maybe because I don't need to go there. Because some teachers do that because that teachers are dumb. Those kids better get their poop. Oh, because they need to pee and they say that you need to go wait for your classmates to come back and go there now. But you need to go there now. That teacher's so dumb. In Philippines classrooms, we only have one bathroom every single room. And the worst part, when you need to go there now, who is the back of the bathroom and needs to go to pee, she goes there, and you cannot go there because Philippines are over. But I live here, so I changed my avatar like anime. I changed my avatar, not the old avatar, and I hate my life about Jaren because Jaren is an annoying guy and always features and they don't care about him now. I didn't even touch that. So, Jaren, if you're watching this, I still hate you for all what you done to me. You know we have feelings. You know you don't know how it feels hard about my heart to broken to a million pieces. Because you have broken everybody's heart like my heart. You're just a meanie and a bad guy. Because you don't understand feelings and love. You just understand what is bad or not. We have feelings. You gotta make our hearts like yours. You have feelings, but you don't care about our lives. This because we are hard people working in school. All your dreams are just hard to become because our dreams will sometimes come true. If only you're great, but you're right. Just like me. Everybody wants to be good and nice. Some bullies have a nice heart of them, but doesn't want to show it. Because people just want to be free from their soul. We're just gonna break everybody's heart. So guys, you don't understand what is feelings. If you're a 4-year-old or a 5-year-old and you don't know feelings, so you gotta learn it. Because children need to learn and help their hearts to not break down. We all have hearts. Time is coming out. Life is hard. Your heart life It's not hard because you're just a big meaning of everybody like me. You broke my heart. That's why I never let friends with you again. Because you're just me. Tower of Hell. This is what I remind you of. Tower of Hell. You're just a person. I worked hard for this channel, and all I get was heartbroken. You're just Jaren. Even though you have a big subscribers, it doesn't mean you're now popular. It means your heart. It doesn't mean you make people super happy. It's what people think. I think about your being, and that's why I get revenge for you. Revenge is what I do. You don't want to get revenge because you're just a bad person. Persons who are the hearts like us. We all have hearts. We don't break people's hearts because you just want to be a normal person. You couldn't make it. Every day, you just want to be broken. Everybody has feelings. You don't care about our feelings. You broke my heart. Now, you're my only one cousin that is mean to me. That's why I hate you. That's why I never love you. I always dream you of being good and nice, but your heart changed of my thoughts. That's why I never like you anymore. Not only I like, it's all about my heart and not more of your life. People are being super nice. Some people are nice. Badness of earth is bad for the people. You just want to be black. You just want to be bad and all of everything. And I work hard for my life. You work. I was born like this. You never come help me. You're just a bad person. Everybody loves their feelings and their friends, but you don't love any more of my life. And you're just a big meanie. And you're just a big meanie of people. I know who you are. You're just my friend, but you are a bad person. I never like you anymore from my life. And this is how I feel about you. Broken piece.
Ủa, 冇啦你，我見廿人出嚟，點會嚟啊？
Saglit. And we are heartbroken. I got this is Byron. We are friends. Yes, and we are friends. Darren, you don't know friendship of our life. Friendship is all about our hearts. Hindi. Byron, we gotta tell something about Jaren.
Namatay?
Hindi. Bad telling about him.
Ang tagal ni Jara maglaro sa atin ng Roblox.
Hindi na ako nagkakali ng Roblox sa kanya. Unfriend mo na siya. Unfriend mo na si Jaren, promise. Unfriend mo na siya. Alam mo bakit niya sinunfriend ko siya?
Rika na, doon na tayo sa...
She's bullying me. Make a bad video of me in one of his vids, and I never gonna come back from his heart. That's why I
Dalawa na
never
tayo
come.
Roblox.
Now we're gonna play.
Di ba yung update na, ma'am? Bobo. Bobo ka ba?
Guys, wag ko muna kayo
Bakit ba
maingay.
kayo maglaro dyan sa mga, ano?
Guys,
Laro tayo Crew Garden.
magkakalo na nga kayo. Guys, wag kayo maingay. May sinasabi kami all about kay Jaren. So guys,
May bagong update, pet.
Bye kung may sasabihin mula ako kay
Shut up.
Jaren. Alam mo bakit kaya unfriend ko siya? Gawa ng
Gusto
kasal
niya
ko
ba
yung
maglaro
habit.
dito?
So guys,
Gusto niya multo? Multo! Dito ka!
and guys, I'd never love you, Jaren, anymore.
Sa amin nga, nagtatakutan nga namin ni Kim. Biglang may nag-ano. Sino gusto magpatay? Yung gusto patay na ilag, tas ang kamay. Isa lang.
Buksan mo.
Gano'n ako. Pau? Sige, laro muna kayo dyan. Teka pre, danti sa sa bahay nila Iman.
Okay.
Ha?
Babay dun. Ano kasi mama ako
Maglulo.
Hindi.
Bubo. Turn mo yung ilaw mo.
Bayokon. Sino ng wifi?
Ina nga ng wifi eh.
Doon tayo sa bike ko para may malakas wifi mo.
Oo, liga na.
Kate, bantayan mo sila. So guys,
Sino gusto mag-turn on ilaw kasi alis kami? Ako! Bayro! Sige! Ayaw! Ayaw niya? Sige! Sige! Sige, tawag ka matakot, okay? Sige na, pre. Halika na!
guys, that's why I hate you. Hi, Ching.
Ching,
Ching, guys.
Hey,
Bye-bye.
Panay, tuluyan na.